case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1970 Supreme Court case, Brady v. United States, the focus was on whether the fear of receiving the death penalty was enough coercion to render a guilty plea involuntary. The defendant charged with kidnapping initially pleaded not guilty. However, he changed his plea to guilty when he learned that his co-defendant would testify against him, potentially leading to a death sentence. Instead, he was sentenced to 50 years, later reduced to 30 years. 8 years into his sentence, the defendant challenged his conviction, claiming his plea was involuntary due to the fear of the death penalty. The court denied relief, ruling the plea was voluntarily made, and the Court of Appeals affirmed this decision. Finally, the Supreme Court upheld the decision based on United States v. Jackson. The court determined that fear of death alone was not coercive enough to make a guilty plea involuntary. Considering all circumstances, the defendant had competent legal counsel and only changed his plea upon discovering evidence against him. Although partly motivated by avoiding the death penalty, this was not sufficient to invalidate the plea.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.